In this video, we're going to plot a graph when we only have the y-intercept and the slope. What is interesting to see is that we will get the exact same line we got when we used a table with various values of x and y. If we look at this table, our corresponding equation would be y is equal to 1 plus 2x. Let's put in our vertical and horizontal axis and label it x and y. We'll put in our numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do the same thing on the vertical axis. Here we'll go up to 7. Remember that the general form of an equation is y is equal to a plus bx, where a is the y-intercept and b is the slope. In our example, 1 would be our y-intercept and 2 would be our slope. The y-intercept is the value of y when x is equal to 0. In this case, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. That gives us our first point. Our slope will tell us if x increases by 1, y will increase by 2. Let's increase x by 1, go along the horizontal axis to 1, and up the vertical axis by 2 until 3. That gives us our second point. Let's increase x again by 1, move along the horizontal axis by 1, and go up the vertical axis by 2, and that gives us our third point. We'll do this one last time. Increase x by 1. We'll go along the horizontal axis by 1 and up the vertical axis by 2, and that will give us our last point. We can draw a line to join these points. What is important to see here is that these points correspond to the points on this table. Here we have 0 and 1, 1 and 3, 2 and 5, 3 and 7. Even though we didn't use this table to plot this graph, we ended up with the same result. Knowing the y-intercept and the slope allows you to plot a precise relationship between two variables.